He grabbed a tiny nut, shoved it into the pipe, and boom, he created a national-level masterpiece of improvised engineering. No connector, no glue, no tape. That would be way too professional. He went with the classic, "this will do" technique. And the most annoying part? It works. It works really well. While half the world is buying expensive parts, he's laughing, showing how his crazy invention stayed solid. It's the kind of solution that challenges logic, engineering, and any sane person's patience.